Hello, this is Fadi speaking. I'm a technical specialist from ABBYY Ukraine, and I'm happy to show you a new version of FlexiCapture 11 for Invoices. This is an easy-to-use, intelligent software solution for processing invoices. It's based on the powerful FlexiCapture platform and includes additional functionality, predefined settings, validation rules, advanced database lookup, and user interface enhancements, specially developed for processing invoices. So now, FlexiCapture has an auto-trading technology that defines the extraction of data from invoices with a non-standard layout. For this video, I have used a FlexiCapture standalone version. So all processing steps will be done on my local machine. As you can see, the interface is pretty simple. FlexiCapture for invoices is a ready-to-go solution, so we can start processing right away. So when you start a new project for invoices from scratch, you already have a standard invoice template named European invoice. So we can begin processing. So let's load some images. So I will select 4 sample invoices. That's okay. As you can see, after input, invoices are automatically recognized by the program. So data from the invoices is then checked using rules. So invoices that do not require any editing receive the valid status, and actually they are ready for export. And invoices with a status other than valid need to be reviewed by an operator. This is actually what happened with my invoices. So here you can see a red flag displayed on the documents icon. So it means that I have an error. So now we need to check these documents and correct errors and warnings that were issued by checking rules. And check out the standard data form for invoices. So here in the top you can see the field with the status. So there are 3 types of statuses: valid, exception when invoice requires some verification, and rejected. So this status means that some necessary data could not be found, or missing, or has been recognized incorrectly. So this data must be specified manually, or the invoice must be processed in some other way. For instance, return it back to the vendor. Well, on the current document, the invoice date was not detected, so you can see it here in the bottom. So we have an error. So the date wasn't detected due to the date format. So here it is. So how can we fix this error? So we just need to drag over this field, and it will be recognized on the fly. So now we can save our invoice, and now you see that our document have a status valid. Operators can also confirm statuses that were assigned automatically. The status of an invoice can be changed manually by an operator who has to specify the reason for the status change. And if the program systematically fails to locate fields on invoices, so it can be trained by operators during the document capture process. So let's see how to do that. So I'm going to open again my invoice. So I have already defined the new area for the date. So now I will press button train. Okay, application have analyzed this location and saved it. Press again, and the same action for a second document. Press train again. It should. And the third one. Press train. Well, when the program accumulates at least 3 examples of this type of invoice, it will perform the training procedure and use the results of this procedure when processing new invoices of this type. Okay, successfully finished. Save the results. So now I would like to check the quality of the training. So I will clear the analyzing results and recognize all these documents again. Okay, here we go. So now you can see that all these invoices have a status valid. So it means that all fields were recognized correctly. And let's check the last one. Yep, that's it. So you have already seen the operator-based training. But what will happen if we receive a new type of invoice? So it's also possible to train an alternative layout with an administrator-based training. Let's see how it works. I'm going to load more invoices. Recognition starts automatically. Okay, seems like our invoices were recognized, but we can see still a status rejected there. So let's open first of them and check the problem. Okay, the same problem, the invoice date wasn't recognized here. So I'm going to show you how to train this field, how to train the layout in administrative mode. So again, we have to select the field and press button train. Okay, let's close, save. Okay, now we're going to switch to training batches. Okay, here we can see 2 batches from different vendors. Okay, first of them you already seen have stayed stable. It means that there are enough images for training, and here status is collecting samples. Okay, it means that we have to add some necessary images for training. I will select the rest of sample invoices. Okay. Okay, and recognition will start automatically. Okay, let's mark these 2 invoices as for training, and the last one stayed for testing. So in these invoices we have to mark the needed field. Okay, save, and here let's switch back to training batches and select train. Operation complete. So now we can close the training batches and switch back to working batch. So now we can clear all analyzing results and see how our layout have trained. Okay, so let's check results. As you can see, the invoice date was recognized correctly on the first document, on the second, and the last one also correct. So now we can proceed to export our documents. So that was all. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.